Hi guys, according to recent reports, Redmi will soon launch a new Redmi Note series in the Japanese market. The report claims that this device will be the Redmi Note 11J and its codename is Lilac. Furthermore, the Redmi Note 11J is a special model for the Japanese market. The main highlight of this smartphone is that it supports IP68 dustproof and waterproof. The protection level is comparable to that of the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. This is one of the earliest reports regarding the JE model in the Redmi Note 11 series. Recall that the company released the Redmi Note 11 series some weeks ago. At launch, this series had 3 models including the Redmi Note 11, Redmi Note 11 Pro, and Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Subsequently, the company officially released the Redmi Note 11 4G, which costs about $156. Last year's Redmi Note 10J also supports IP68 dustproof and waterproof. It can work normally under 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes. This is an important feature that high-end flagships currently use. Today, Redmi provides IP68 protection on the Note series, which is very competitive since they are cheap. In terms of core configuration, the Redmi Note 11J uses a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus full screen with a 90Hz refresh rate. This smartphone comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 Plus processor, a battery of 5000 mAh, and a 50-megapixels rear main camera. Considering the processor, this smartphone is an entry-level device. It is quite interesting that an entry-level device supports IP68 water and dustproof. This smartphone may be officially released in February, the same month that the Redmi K50 series will arrive. According to the Pixel, the Redmi Note 11 global version will hit Vietnam in the first quarter of 2022. Furthermore, the report shows that the Redmi Note 11 global version is very different from the Chinese version. The global version will adopt a completely new design and there will be major changes in the specification. The report also reveals that the Redmi Note 11 global version will come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. Recall that the Chinese version uses MediaTek Dimensity processors. Unfortunately, details about the processor are not available. According to Twitter leakster, Tipster Chuan, Xiaomi stocks of Dimensity chips are low. Thus, he speculates that the Redmi Note 11 global version could use the new Snapdragon 778G Plus and Snapdragon 695. According to the Pixel, this smartphone will also return to China. However, it will arrive with a different name. As of now, we cannot ascertain the authenticity of this report. Furthermore, there is no official information from the company regarding the global version of the Note 11 series. Thank you for watching. See you soon.